Today, I'm diving into some awesome hyperlinking tricks in Excel that I bet you didn't know about. Let's see if I can do that without breaking any sweat. Hyperlinking in Excel is a game changer for anyone looking to boost their efficiency and organization. It is all about creating those quick little bridges to other parts of your workbook or even external sources, making your life so much easier. When you are dealing with massive data sets in Excel, finding related information quickly can be a nightmare. You are constantly scrolling through rows and columns, wasting precious time. It is frustrating when you know that data is in there somewhere, but you just can't seem to find it fast enough. This issue is especially problematic when you are under a deadline and need to make sense of your data as soon as possible. Let us not forget about the countless times you have had to manually update information because you couldn't find the source quickly enough. So, how do we tackle this? One of the simplest yet most effective ways is to use the hyperlinks. You can create hyperlinks to other sheets within the same workbook, making it a breeze to jump between different sections. You can also link to external documents or web pages, which is a super handy for research or referencing. Without any further ado, let's see how do we do this. Okay, in front of us we are having a mathematics quiz. All right, these are the questions. Then in column B we are having the answers. All right, when we click there, we'll see that there is a drop-down list where we expect the students to choose the correct answer based on what the question is requiring them to choose as the answer. Okay, so we've got 3 questions here all in all, and then for each and every question we are having 3 possible answers, but only one is correct. All right, even the last one, as you can see, there are 3 possible answers to this particular question. All right, so remember, the purpose of our video today is to see how we can create a hyperlink within the same workbook so that we make it easy or easier for us to navigate in between different sheets within the same workbook. All right, fine. So we have created another sheet which has the answers to this quiz. Okay, right. So in order to go to the sheet with the answers, we just want to create a link that will take us to that particular sheet quickly. So, okay, right, fine. Let's see how do we do that. We're going to put our cursor on any open cell or clean cell, right? Fine, this is what we need to do, all right? So now when we are here, we're going to say, so this is what we're going to do. We're going to use the shortcut to going to a link or creating a link, which is pressing on Control and K on our keyboard. All right, then here we are. Right, we are having this menu. Right, we have the first one which says existing file or web page. This is not what we want. Place in this document. Right, this is what we want. Okay, because we are in this workbook wherein there are different sheets. We click on this one. Okay, right, so now we need to locate, these are the sheets that are in the workbook. Okay, so we need to look for the sheet that we are specifically looking for, which is the one with the answers to the quiz. Okay, this is the one which is indicated correct answers. All right, so now I'm going to click on OK. Right, now we have it here. As you can see, this is the link. The words that are written here, they are hyperlinked to that particular sheet. All right, to test it or to see how it works, we just simply click on it. Let's click on it. Right, you see it brings us to this next sheet, which is within the same workbook as the quiz. Okay, so we can easily navigate from the quiz to the answers in order to check the correct answers. Okay, so this is how we link that in terms of the Excel hyperlinking. Right, let's get back here. All right, let's think of something else. All right, now let's assume that we want to edit the link. All right, there's something that needs to be corrected. You simply right click on the link. Okay, you click on, you choose here on the menu, edit the link. Okay, let's take now we need to link that with a different sheet. Okay, so it means now we're going to choose a different sheet which we're gonna link that to. Okay, let us now just click on OK, because this was just for the purpose of demonstration. We don't want to edit the link. All right, fine. All right, the next thing, we might also be tempted to remove the linking. Okay, as I pointed it, you can see there's a little hand that pops up which indicates that it is a link which is going to take me to another file. All right, let's take now we have decided not to continue having this hyperlinking between the two sheets. To do that, I will simply just right click, then from the menu I click on remove hyperlink. Okay, right, as you can see, when I pointed it, it is no longer turning blue to indicate that it is no longer a link. It is not active. The link is no longer active because I have removed it. Okay, so this is how you create the link in terms of having it linked between the two sheets, and also how to remove that. Okay, so when you are having the hyperlinking in Excel, it makes it easier for you to navigate in between different sheets that might be within the same workbook. So this is the game changer that people that occasionally work in Excel, they find themselves using to make their workflow to be smooth in most of the times. Okay, so this is how to do it. Thank you so much for your time. We here highly appreciate you being here with us today to learn how to use the hyperlinking in Excel. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check out my other Excel tutorials, and don't forget to leave your comments below.